Ever wondered how to obtain your birth certificate online in India without the hassle of running from pillar to post? The process is now more straightforward than you might think. Today, we will guide you through the steps to apply for a new birth certificate for yourself or your child right from the comfort of your home. The first step is to gather the necessary documents. This includes any one ID proof of the parent, an active mobile number, and a passport-size photograph. Once you have these documents ready, you're all set to start the process. The procedure to apply for a birth certificate varies slightly from state to state, but the general process is the same. To begin, you need to visit the official website designated for this purpose. On this website, you will find an option for birth certificates. Click on this option to proceed. Next, you will be asked to input certain information. Fill in the required details carefully. Once you have entered all the necessary information, your birth certificate will be ready within 5 minutes. Yes, it's that simple. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the step-by-step online process. Firstly, visit the official website. On the homepage, you will find an option for General Public Sign-up. Click on this and a new page will open. On this new page, you will find a sign-up form. Fill in this form carefully. Once you have filled in the form, click on Submit to receive your login ID and password. After registering, return to the home page and log in to the portal. Once you are logged in, a new page will open. On this page, you will see an option for Apply for Birth Registration. Click on this option to open the application form. Fill in the application form with care. After filling in the form, you will need to scan and upload all the required documents. Once you have uploaded the documents, click on Submit to receive a receipt. After receiving the receipt, you need to attach self-attested photocopies of all the required documents. Finally, you must submit these documents to the relevant department in your district and collect the receipt. And there you have it, the process of obtaining a birth certificate online in India. It's simple, it's quick, and it's hassle-free. So, why wait? Get started today and